It's harvest time at Sandstone Estates, and the combines are hard at work far into the night. Harvesting is the most critical operation on any farm. Valuable resources have been invested in the crop, and any mistake or inclement weather at this stage could be very costly indeed. Crops have to be harvested when their moisture content is at optimum level, but harvest time often coincides with the wet season and the risk of rain. A high moisture content reduces the grade of the crop, so having the means to take the crop off the lands quickly is a distinct advantage. Sandstone Estates employs 6 modern combine harvesters to do the job. Working in an efficient formation like this, they can process more than 38 tons of wheat an hour. But it raises another logistical problem. How do you move the seemingly endless tons of wheat from the lands to the safe storage of the silos? At Sandstone Estates, the narrow gauge railway plays a key role in this process. Today, Kalahari number 17, piloting Class 16 Garrett number 113, brings the harvest train alongside the lands. It takes just a few minutes for the combines to discharge their loads, and they're ready to move off again on another round of the field. When the train is full, or the field has been cleared of its crop, it's time to build up boiler pressure for the trip to the silos for emptying. An extra 2 or 3 wagons more than the anticipated load are usually provided to make sure that the combines always have wagons to discharge into. At last we arrive at Hoekfontein, where the extensive silo complex is situated. The track used for offloading runs right alongside, and it's down this that our harvest train is shunted. The silos are central to the efficient operation of the farm. Not only do they provide space to store the crop, they also give the farm manager an important strategic advantage. He can choose the right moment at which to release his product onto the market. Offloading the train is usually accomplished using a vacuum discharger, a machine that sucks grain in at one end and spews it out at the other. It takes a skilled operator about 15 minutes to empty each wagon, so it'll take about 3.5 hours to offload the 13 wagons of this train. The track is on a slight downgrade at this point, just enough to allow wagons to roll downhill under the influence of gravity. Using the handbrake to keep things under control, wagons are moved out of the way as they're emptied, and full ones rolled into position for offloading. The cloud that's been gathering ominously all afternoon begins to disperse by evening, all the more reason to press on in the relentless 24-hour work cycle that the wheat harvest demands. But the hard-working railway and the men on the lands can take heart from one thing. It's the commercial success of sandstone estates that gives the Sandstone Heritage Trust its viability. Without the contribution of sandstone's modern agriculture, heritage would not be the integral part of the farm that it is today.